The siren test apparently was canceled today, and see if I can. There it is. You can't really read that. It says Sarpy County Emergency Management canceled siren test due to severe weather. This weather is not severe. Remember, they didn't cancel the siren test that one time when there was lightning. They did the test anyway. But no chime, though. What a shame. But now they canceled this time and there's just like a little bit of fog or whatever. I don't know, maybe there's other parts of Sarpy County that are experiencing severe weather. But you won't be able to hear the green sleeves on the chime station this year, unfortunately, probably. Because today was supposed to be a double test and it turns out to be a nada test today. Raining on the mini bosai musen right now, everyone. Gotta get out there and take this out of here. Look at this, look at all the little water spots. I'm glad I brought the mini thunderbolt in. First, almost dropped the reflex horn there. And I'll go put the camera inside.
Yeah, do you want me to put that in there?
I'm gonna disconnect the wires.
Do you need more coffee?
weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.